I have bought myself a Carrera Crosscity e-bike. I've been riding on roads like this, and you can see the add-ons later, but I'm just about to go up this hill. Let's see if it'll do it. I'm really not sure if it will. So yeah, I'm going to try it in pedal assist number 2, because I think 3, although it goes faster, it hasn't quite got the torque. So yeah, let's see. I'll try and film as I go up if I can. It's quite a steep hill. I know this hill, I've tried cycling it before and I cannot do it. Here goes. It's doing it. It's actually doing it. I'm nearly at the top. I'm having to push. I am having to pedal. You wouldn't be able to just sit back and do nothing. And of course there's a car. Right. You can see how steep it is. And I've got it on fisheye lens, but that is a properly steep hill. Now we're going to go from a standing start on the last little bit, so it's going to be terrible camera work. I apologise. I'm not in the best gear because that guy suddenly appeared. The Ocado van appeared. There we go, at the top of the hill, still in number 2. I didn't adjust the speed. I mean, look at that. It's right, I'm going to go into 3 now. I'm literally just turning my legs, so that's all I'm doing. I mean, I'm whistling along, 15 miles an hour apparently. I've not tested that, I don't really need to. But this is real speed, I'm literally just turning my legs. Hardly, well, I'm not doing any pushing at all. Alright, I'm coming to a main road. So in conclusion then, am I pleased I bought this Carrera Crosscity e-bike? I got it second hand off of eBay, off of a lovely little old lady who'd had it for just 1 year. Bought it new from Halfords, and it's excellent. I mean, I quite like the styling of it actually. I mean, I know it's a folding e-bike or a folding bike, and they do look a bit quirky, don't they? But it's got 20-inch wheels. The seat is fully adjustable, as you can see, with a quick release, which is really handy. The handlebars also on a quick release, and you can see it's got incremental markings. So yeah, so that's really quick and easy to adjust. It's even got adjustment on the handlebars here. I don't know whether it's called, I think it's called rake, you know, for the tilt of the handlebars, for whatever you're comfortable with. And there's your controls, basic e-bike controls. This is how you close down the fold down the handlebars for folding it. There's loads of videos on doing that. I'm not going to do that right now. And then there's the one for folding the frame. I've had no trouble with that whatsoever. And then there's a charging port in here for the battery. There you go. So you can leave the battery in the bike and charge it. I don't tend to push that all the way in because it's hard to get out again, so I just push it most of the way in. It's got normal V brakes. Nothing complicated. It's got a rear motor. I think it's got 9 gears or 8 gears. Plenty, absolutely plenty for a bike this size. When you first get on these 20-inch wheel bikes, it takes you back to the 1980s on your BMX. That's how I felt. I was a kid in the 80s and I had a BMX and it had the same size wheels. I've got a hybrid bike, which is like town and country kind of bike, and it's got 28-inch wheels, I think they are. And I did think, oh crumbs, is this going to feel really, really bad compared to that? And initially, yeah, it feels a tiny bit twitchy on the steering, but within 10 seconds, and I really do mean that, within 10 seconds, I'd gotten used to it, and now I ride it smoothly, absolutely fine. And the best thing about this bike, or any of these kinds of bikes, but this one I really like, is it folds up, it's got a rear rack, everything's adjustable on it. Even my teenage kid rode it, and she's obviously littler than me, and it's all adjustable, and it fitted her perfectly. And she, well, of course she loved it because it's it's easy. I've got a bag that I got off of Amazon, as you see, like a leather bag fitted on the rack, super easy, super quick. I've got a phone mount for the frame, which just where's the thing, which it just reaches, because it's a big frame, because the battery is in there, and that's brilliant. So when I'm navigating somewhere new, my phone goes in the cellophane bit there. I've got my keys and whatever else underneath. It's got plenty of space. They're not a lot of money, honestly. If you're thinking about getting one, buy one. You will like it. If you like cycling but you want to go a little bit further afield, explore country lanes like this, don't worry about that. I did think, are the wheels going to be terrible on, you know, surfaces like this? I live in the countryside. It's fine, and it's so maneuverable and so steerable. Any big obstacles, you can steer around them on a sixpence. I mean, honestly, it's so responsive. I changed the seat, as I think I mentioned earlier, a 10 quid gel seat off of Amazon. The other thing, that's a good point, you have to just take off the other bits of the seat and just leaving this rail, which fits into their own, I guess it's a patented design, and there's a Allen bolt under there, and it went on really easy. The only thing is I had it slightly tipped back, which was, I hate that. I like them tipped forward ever so slightly because I'm a guy, and I thought, oh no, there's no adjustment on this for the tilt, but there is. If you loosen that Allen bolt up enough with the seat on there, it actually goes click 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 click. So, and then you tighten it up again when you've got the desired angle. So don't worry about that. You can still buy a cheap gel seat from wherever, or put your favourite one on off your other bike, and it'll fit. Yeah, I'm taking it to London soon. It'll be awesome. Anyway, enjoy. I hope that helped allay some fears or some concerns about getting one of these, but honestly, brilliant. Really, really good. All the best. Cheers.